Who? The fucking nobody?
That fucking nobody
I heard you struck my son.
is John Wick.
You, working again?
Yes, sir, I did.
And may I ask why?
Because you stole John Wick's car, sir, and, killed his dog.
Call him Baba Yaga.
Boogeyman?
Well, John wasn't exactly the boogeyman. He was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman.